Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 becomes retro endurance racer. With Royal Enfield expanding its presence in the Japanese market, there's never been a better time for Nagoya-based repair shop, Enbu Custom Motors, to showcase its own style. The workshop started with a stock Continental GT 650. However, it didn't last long. Enbu builder Koichi Fujita also has more than just surface changes. Following the form of 80 seconds endurance racing, Fujita dropped the cafe racer straight from the factory to the frame and rebuilt the top two. The new angled angle of the frame captures not only the iconic retro styling, but also Fujita's handcrafted aluminum fuel tank, which exposes the details for all to see. He then shaped the tail unit in a beam shape to suit the fashions of the day and streamlined its profile with a classic full fairing. The Enbu style itself is not lost in translation, with a single offset headlamp that matches the signature look of this custom workshop. Beyond aesthetics, Kayaba's suspension supports the front and rear with rider-oriented adjustments. Fujita even tweaked the bike's geometry for race-worthy handling with a set of 3 shock absorbers. In one final touch of style and substance, the Enbu adds a snaking 2-to-1 exhaust pipe to unlock the Enfield's 648cc parallel twin. Given the name Kai, Fujita has debuted at the Osaka Motorcycle Show on March 17, 2023. The customized Continental will then appear at the Tokyo Motorcycle Show on March 24, 2023, before heading to the Nagoya Motorcycle Show on April 7, 2023. Even from our point of view, having developed projects with custom bike builders around the world, we believe that Japan is an interesting country with amazing custom bikes and a lot of talented custom bike builders making them.